I just got done putting in a grounding rod to the electric panel. I added conduit, that's the 6 gauge wire. This is a 8-foot grounding rod. Put a clamp. I added this. I don't think you need it. I'm gonna have an electrician sign off on it, but I just added that. I cut the concrete and put the lay down the stranded wire all the way through here, down here to the dirt. Another grounding rod. Alright, I'm gonna show you how it hooked up to the panel. It comes out that this white wire here behind this comes out to here and then to the neutral bus. I added this tie into the conduit and do the same to the grounding bus. They have another one here, and this is connected to the pipe right there, to the water pipe, water piping bond. Bye.